Welcome guys to my video. So don't forget to click that subscribe button.
And I'll give you Robux.
Look at this.
Look, my picture is foggy.
What the heck? It's too small.
Yours is...
This is my mama. What the heck? The heck? What the heck? The heck? Wow! 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 Are you thinking what I like? A Coca-Cola! Baldi! A Coca-Cola Baldi.
Baldi!
Hey, let's go.
Let's just keep...
Okay. So you will be the cameraman. So today, guys,
I'll check up the shower.
wait. No, that's so this. Huh?
He's disgusting. He poops his pants. You poop your pants. I know that.
Before,
Okay.
I put my pants before.
What's this mochi dender? What is this mochi dender?
Get out of here. Take this. This is band. The mochi is a band product. So, do you want this? It's my best seller.
I can do that.
So today, guys, I'm gonna post a video until I'm 25. I'm 25 years old. I'm gonna make a video until I'm 25 years old because I love you.
Ew! What are you doing? Are you stinking rat?
Nope. Can I play? Oh, hi. Oh my goodness. Wait, let's do it again. Let's get from Mama. But then we're gonna play Granny. So, if we ring this bell, then we have to hide under the table. We're hiding under the table. Yeah, for Granny. We'll just fix there. Wait, okay. Wait, no. The viewers are gonna think because they don't have fear. Oh no. Help. She saw me. She seen me.
She can tell this trap while hiding. She's like Mikey because she doesn't know.
Even Mama. So I'm bored, guys. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you click that like button and subscribe button. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my cousin Zplay. So goodbye.